Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the mobile app and website Duolingo. First of all, go to duolingo.com. Here, you will be able to create an account. Begin with changing the language of the website. And in this section, you can create your account using a Facebook or Gmail account. Choose your account, refresh, and then choose the language that you want to learn. Complete the survey, and then set the amount of time that you want to practice every day. To conclude, you can take a placement test or you can strengthen your basic knowledge with the option on the left. This is a small sample of the exercises here in the website. If you don't know a word, you can select the word and see some of its translations. If you make a mistake, at the bottom of the exercise, the app will give you the proper feedback. If you think there is any mistake on your exercise, you can report it or see the comments from other users in the section Debate. It's important for you to make note of your mistakes. There is a great variety of exercises, very interactive. And the motivational phrases are just awesome. When you finish one exercise, you will be able to get experience score, lingots, and with this you will be able to buy live, which are very useful if you are using the mobile app. You will get a report on the amount of data you've been using the app, and you also get strike freeze to protect your strike. Work with a plus version or with a normal version. This is the interface of the app, in which we will find 5 types: learn, tales, debate, store, more, language, crowns, strike, lingots, and profile. In the section learn, you will find units and lessons about diverse topics and subjects. In the next section, in the section Tales, you will find conversations. However, to activate this section, you will need a minimum of 10 crowns. The section crowns is only available in the English language. In the section Debate, you will find any kind of subject about the app, which you can check, review, and participate with other users. In the section Store, you will be able to add strike freeze, which you will keep, say, the number of days that you have been practicing. In this, you will also be able to make wagers, where if you keep the amount of days on a strike, you double of links that you have just did. In the next section, the section plus, you will find a dictionary with the vocabulary you have practiced. We will see the school section in other video. This vocabulary is classified in grammatical categories, very useful for basic levels. The section dictionary contains a basic translator. In order to get crowns, you need to work on the lessons and units in the section learn. Next, in the section profile, you will be able to change some of the information of your profile or your account and turn off the notifications. You can also change or increase the amount of time that you want to practice every day. Save the changes and that'll do it. Now, once that you have completed exercises and lessons in each one of the units, you will be able to get a maximum of 5 crowns. With 10 crowns, you will enable the section Tales, which are very interactive and have exercises that go along with the exercises in the section Learn. You can check your progress and weekly statistics in this section. Look for your friends through their usernames. Some useful information that you may be interested is that if one of your friends downloads the app with one of your invitations, you will get DUOLINGO Plus for free during 1 week in the mobile version. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have liked. Enjoy learning.